What if tomorrow your city went dark? No power, no water, no food deliveries. 2 million people, most of them panicking. I've seen what happens when order collapses, both overseas and here at home. Today, I'm giving you 5 battle-tested pillars to not just survive, but stay in control when your city goes dark. I'm a former 160th SOAR flight medic and now a nurse practitioner. I've worked in war zones, hurricanes, and blackouts. Here's what I know. In the first 72 hours, most people become part of the problem. But with the right plan, you'll be the calm in the storm. Stick with me, because pillar number 4 could literally save your family's life. Pillar 1, master the gray maze. Scenario, 6 hours after the blackout. Gridlock everywhere, phones dead. You need to get home fast. Here's the truth. Your city is a maze, and you need to know every shortcut. Not just the streets, but the back alleys, footbridges, tunnels, and rooftops. Get high-quality, laminated paper maps. Topographical, not just street view. Walk your key routes, home to work, to your kids' schools, to your rally point outside the city. Don't just stick to sidewalks, find those hidden arteries. Combat trick. Scout. Vertical and underground routes. Parking garages, maintenance tunnels, rooftop connectors. These are your lifelines when the main roads are a no-go. T's. Of course, knowing where to go won't help if you look like a walking supply depot. Pillar 2, the invisibility protocol. Scenario, day 2, supplies on your back. Crowds are desperate. Who gets targeted first? The guy in tactical gear or the one who looks like everyone else? Your best armor is being forgettable. Dress like a local, neutral, sturdy, nothing tactical. Use a normal backpack, stash gear in everyday containers, and avoid military patches. Store supplies where no one can see from outside. Move quietly, blend in, and never advertise what you have. Medical insight. In a crisis, people will do anything for their families. Don't give them a reason to notice you. T's. But even invisible, you'll need resources. The city's full of them, if you know where to look. Pillar 3. Radical resourcefulness. Scenario. Day 4. Stores are empty, water's off, your phone's dead. What now? Water. Water heaters, 40, 80 gallons per building. Rooftop, HVAC tanks, apartment pools and hot tubs, construction site tanks, office emergency supplies, food, abandoned delivery trucks before spoilage, restaurant dumpsters, day 1 only, office vending machines, edible weeds, dandelion, plantain, clover, rooftop gardens, power, car batteries, plus inverters, solar garden lights for LEDs, hand crank radios and chargers, bike powered generators. Medical tip. You need at least 1 gallon of water per person per day. More if you're moving or under stress. T's. But all the resources in the world won't help if you're flying blind. Pillar 4. Intelligence and communication. Scenario. Day 7. Gunshots echo in the distance. Rumors are flying. Who do you trust? When cell towers are down, information is your most valuable resource. Battery or hand crank no AA radio. Two-way radios, FRS, GMRS. Ham radio, if licensed. Emergency whistle for local signals. Know your emergency frequencies. Set up neighborhood info networks. Monitor patterns, stay alert, and never act on rumors alone. T's. But all the intel in the world is useless if you can't defend your home. Pillar 5. Defensive positioning. Scenario, week 2. Law enforcement is overwhelmed. Your home is your base, or your trap. Defensive upgrades. Reinforced doors and locks. Block, cover ground floor windows. Set up early warning systems. Multiple exit routes. Stash supplies in several locations. Combat wisdom. The best defense is not being a target. Avoid conflict, but be ready to move fast if you must. Most people will freeze or panic, but you've got the framework. Master the maze, blend in, find resources, stay informed, and secure your base. If you want more real-world survival tactics, hit subscribe. 97% of you aren't subscribed. Don't let YouTube decide if you see life-saving info. Drop a comment. What's your biggest urban survival worry? Power failure, water, unrest? Your answers shape my next video. Remember, in chaos, the prepared don't panic. They execute. Stay ready.